All right, guys, check this one out. This is another custom grill we just had done for a customer. It's a set. It's a top and bottom. 6 top, 6 bottom teeth. This one here is 14 karat gold, guys. 14 karat gold. It's not gold plated. No, this is real solid gold. And these are the single caps. So I'm zooming in real close so you can see the lines in between each teeth. These are the single caps, permanent look. You see that each tooth is very defined. That's because each tooth is an individual single cap, okay, and it is made with real gold. Gives it that nice permanent style look that a lot of our customers love, and it looks really sweet. Check that out. I'll show you the back side. So flip it around. You can see you got your 14K stamp. Okay, top and bottom. All right, these are available on our website, blingcartel.com. Handmade for a perfect fit. Check us out, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.